Dealers want you to believe that performance modifications void warranties and destroy reliability, but these 17 legal mods actually improve your car's performance and longevity. I'm about to reveal modifications that dealerships use on their own vehicles, but never tell customers about. Number 17 will shock you. Legal mod. Number 1, high flow air filter upgrade. This is the easiest performance gain you'll ever get. Replacing your restrictive paper air filter with a high flow cotton or synthetic filter can add 5 to 15 horsepower instantly. K&N, AEM, and other quality brands flow 30 to 50% more air than stock filters while providing superior filtration. The best part? These filters are washable and reusable, lasting the lifetime of your vehicle. Installation takes 5 minutes with basic tools, costs under $60, and is completely emissions legal. Legal mod number 2, cold air intake system. Take the air filter upgrade to the next level with a complete cold air intake. Factory airboxes are designed for cost and noise reduction, not performance. A quality cold air intake relocates the filter to draw cooler, denser air from outside the engine bay instead of hot air from around the engine. Cooler air contains more oxygen, creating more power. Expect gains of 10 to 25 horsepower and improved throttle response. Systems from Engine, AEM, and K&N are 50 state legal. Legal mod number 3, performance exhaust system upgrade. Your factory exhaust is choking your engine. Stock systems are designed for maximum noise reduction, not airflow. A performance catback exhaust system removes restrictions while maintaining catalytic converters for emissions compliance. Quality systems from Borla, MagnaFlow, and Flowmaster can add 15 to 30 horsepower while giving your car an aggressive sound that turns heads. Most bolt directly onto factory mounting points and take 2 hours to install. Drop VIP in the comments if you feel like you're getting premium advice for free. Legal mod number 4, engine tune and ECU optimization. This modification gives the biggest performance gains. Your car's computer is programmed conservatively to run on the lowest quality fuel in any climate condition. A professional engine tune optimizes timing, fuel delivery, and boost pressure for your specific driving conditions and fuel quality. Expect gains of 20 to 60 horsepower from tuning alone. Companies like APR, Cobb, and Honda offer pre-programmed tunes that are emissions compliant and maintain warranty coverage. Legal mod number 5, upgraded ignition system factory. Ignition systems are designed to last, not perform. Upgrading to performance spark plugs, ignition coils, and spark plug wires can add noticeable power and improve fuel economy. Iridium or platinum spark plugs burn fuel more completely, while performance coils provide stronger spark energy. This modification is especially effective on turbocharged engines where consistent ignition is critical. Expect smoother idle, better acceleration, and improved fuel economy for under $300. Legal mod number 6, high flow catalytic converters. Replace your restrictive factory catalytic converters with high flow versions that maintain emissions compliance while improving airflow. High flow cats from Random Technology, MagnaFlow, and Catco flow significantly better than stock while still meeting EPA requirements. This modification works especially well combined with exhaust upgrades, adding 10 to 20 horsepower while maintaining your car's ability to pass emissions testing. I guarantee someone in the comments will say this doesn't work. Let's see who's first. Legal mod number 7, performance throttle body upgrade. Your throttle body controls airflow into the engine, and factory units are often restrictive. A larger diameter performance throttle body allows more air to enter the engine, especially at higher RPMs. Companies like BBK, Edelbrock, and Jet offer direct replacement throttle bodies that bolt into factory locations. Expect improved throttle response and gains of 5 to 15 horsepower. Legal mod number 8. Suspension and handling upgrades performance isn't just about horsepower. Upgrading your suspension transforms how your car handles while improving safety and driving enjoyment. Performance springs, struts, and sway bars from Airbox H&R and Bilstein reduce body roll, improve cornering, and give your car a more aggressive stance. These upgrades are completely legal and often improve tire life by maintaining better contact with the road. Legal mod number 9, performance brake system upgrade. Upgrading your brakes doesn't just improve stopping power, it actually enhances acceleration. Performance brake pads from Hawk, EBC, or StopTech provide better bite and shorter stopping distances. Performance rotors dissipate heat better, preventing brake fade during spirited driving. Better brakes give you confidence to use your car's full performance potential. Plus, performance brakes often last longer than stock components. If you're going to try this, comment testing so we can follow your results. Legal mod number 10, fuel system enhancement. Upgrade your fuel delivery with a high-flow fuel filter and premium fuel injector cleaner regimen. Restrictive fuel filters choke performance, while dirty injectors create uneven fuel delivery. A performance fuel filter flows better while maintaining filtration, and regular injector cleaning maintains optimal spray patterns. This combination ensures your engine gets the clean, consistent fuel supply it needs for maximum power. Legal mod number 11, performance motor oil. Selections switch to full synthetic motor oil designed for performance applications. High-quality synthetic oils like Mobil 1, Royal Purple, or Amsoil reduce internal friction, provide better high-temperature protection, and actually free up horsepower by reducing parasitic losses. Performance oils also extend drain intervals and provide superior protection during spirited driving. This simple change can add 5 to 8 horsepower while improving engine longevity. Legal mod number 12, Underdrive pulley systems. Reduce parasitic power loss with lightweight underdrive pulleys. Factory pulleys are heavy in overdrive accessories, stealing power from the wheels. Performance pulleys from ASP, March Performance, or Steeda are lighter and slightly underdrive accessories like the alternator and power steering pump, freeing up 10 to 15 horsepower. Installation requires basic tools and maintains all accessory function. Legal mod number 13, performance airbox modification. If a complete cold air intake isn't in your budget, modify your factory airbox for improved airflow. Remove restrictive baffles, enlarge inlet holes, and smooth rough surfaces inside the factory airbox. This free modification can add 3 to 8 horsepower by improving airflow to your existing filter. Many enthusiasts see noticeable improvements in throttle response from this simple DIY upgrade. Legal mod number 14, engine bay. Heat management reduce. Intake air temperatures with heat shields and thermal barriers. Wrap exhaust headers and turbo components with thermal wrap to reduce underhood temperatures. Install heat shields between hot components and the air intake system. Cooler air is denser and contains more oxygen, creating more power. This modification works especially well on turbocharged engines where heat management is critical for performance. Legal mod number 15, performance transmission. Fluid upgrade to synthetic transmission fluid designed for performance applications. Performance fluids from Redline, Royal Purple, or Amsoil provide better protection, smoother shifts, and reduced internal friction. In manual transmissions, performance gear oil can improve shift feel and reduce synchronizer wear. Automatic transmissions benefit from improved heat resistance and more consistent shift points. Legal mod number 16, strut tower braces and chassis. Stiffening improve handling and power transfer with chassis reinforcement. Strut tower braces connect the shock towers, reducing flex and improving suspension geometry consistency. This modification enhances cornering ability, reduces tire wear, and actually helps put power to the ground more effectively. Quality braces from Cusco, Tanabe, or Progress are bolt-on installations that transform your car's handling characteristics. Legal mod number 17. Performance engine management. Software. Here's the modification that shocked me the most. Many cars have hidden performance modes accessible through dealer software or aftermarket programming tools. These aren't tunes that modify engine parameters, but factory performance settings that dealers can activate. Some vehicles have sport modes, launch control, or advanced traction control settings that aren't accessible through normal menus. Research your specific vehicle for available factory performance options that dealers rarely mention. These 17 legal modifications can transform your car's performance without voiding warranties or breaking emissions laws. The key is choosing quality components from reputable manufacturers and having them installed properly. Many of these modifications actually improve reliability by reducing stress on engine components and providing better cooling and airflow. Start with simple modifications like air filters and work your way up to more complex upgrades as your budget allows. The beauty of these upgrades is they work together synergistically. Each modification enhances the others for maximum performance gains. Which modification surprised you the most? Drop a comment and let me know which one you're planning to do first. If this video just saved you from expensive dealer markups on performance parts, smash that like button and subscribe for more insider automotive secrets.